Hello there everybody, Sam Strains here, just about. Happy New Year to you. I say Happy New Year in a slightly ironic manner because I'm absolutely fuming with our so-called leading model railway brand, or whatever they want to call themselves. Let me get up out of this ridiculous position. So Hornby had a New Year's sale this year, and in that sale were track pieces. Basically, Hornby's model railway track became cheaper than it is anywhere else, even at the retailers, and I need some track this year. I want to replace some of mine, and I've got a big project which I'll talk to you about another time, which I needed some track for, so I decided to buy some of Hornby's discounted track. And in this box, even with the discounting, is over £400 of track. That's with me getting a discount and with using some of my Hornby reward points to get it down to something like £425. Without the discounting, there'd be probably £600 worth of track in here quite easily. And do you want to see how this was packaged? Do you want to see how our lads at Hornby packaged over £400 of track? What do you think about that then? And I'm hoping Hornby are going to look at this video. What the hell? What? Are you serious? And yes, this is how Hornby packages most things. I have ordered from them quite a bit over the past few years, slung in a big box. What's this supposed to be doing? Is this... No, it's just, I don't know. It's like bubble wrap, you know, that bubbly stuff, but it's made from paper so it doesn't hold air. I mean, there's no air in any of that. Right, that's not the best of it though. Let's get all of this out, which I don't think I'll be accepting. Look at that. That's not even in its box anymore, that point. For a reason, I am going to take all of this stuff out. You know, this stuff that you're supposed to be able to build a precise model railway layout with. And now I don't know if I can trust a single piece of it because it's all been thrown in a box with no packaging. Look at this. So all of this stuff is sitting... This is the amazing part. The incompetence here is just unbelievable. It's all sitting on top of these extra long straights. You see that? Which don't fit in the box. These extra long straights do not fit in the box. So they're diagonal at an angle like that with all of the other track pressed against them. And you can see how bent these are. Look at that. Absolutely ridiculous. So the problem is, are these usable? Do I have to accept these in this condition? Because they might be absolutely fine, but that looks like it's got a bend in it to me. And the problem is, if I spend an awful lot of time building a layout with these, and it turns out that the track is bent and the geometry doesn't add up, and things derail on them, then I will have wasted not only £400, but a lot of time as well. Look. The box, the fish plates have ripped into the box. Not happy, not happy. So I'm thinking I'm just going to wash my hands of this and return it and get my money back if need be, or if they can send me some properly, you know, packaged adequately, then that would be okay as well. But for someone to pay £400 and have whoever it is at Hornby do this and chuck it all into a box and then flop a bit of crappy paper on top of it and think that's okay? No, it's not okay. I'm not having that. So Hornby, I'm going to be sending this video to Hornby, so you can get in touch, you can arrange for this to be taken back. If you are able to package some properly, you can send fresh track to me, which has been properly sent out and protected in an adequately sized box. Or if you can't, I'll do what I should have done in the first place and buy it from a proper retailer who does a proper job of sending stuff out, and I'll pay a little bit more for the privilege. Anyway, oh, and there's a wet spot, okay, and it's wet as well. Well, they probably urinated on it as well. So that's how my year's going so far. Happy New Year, everybody. Normal videos will be starting soon, and hopefully there will be a slightly better tone than in this one. Not a good start to the year. Cheers, everybody. Well, it's not your fault. I'm not cross with you lot. It's damn Hornby again, isn't it? Crikey.